Hello, this is my review of these two modern planters. I will tell you why I really like this one and share my overall thoughts with you. I love their design because if you get closer you can see a little bit of the details. And I also love that they're lightweight, but at the same time if you add a plant it will definitely get heavy. And inside we have a plug-in, so you can leave it on or take it off, depends if you like putting them outside or inside. And here I want to show to you inside how it looks. As you can see, there's a drainage hole. And another reason to choose these planters, as you can see, you can just plant right straight inside, remove the plug-in and just plant right inside. Or as what I did here with this planter, you can see that I actually added another planter, like a plastic one inside. So as you can see, I have this 12-inch saucer, which I like to use. And here I can bring my plant and show it to you. I have my plant already ready, so I can just put it all inside, right there. And it looks perfectly. And another point I love about these planters, you can see here's like a more down and here's like more up opening. And here very quick I just want to show you the end result. As you can see, I put the Dracaena plant, and both of my pots actually going in a different spots around my home, so they will not be standing right next to each other. But I really love the idea that you can put them together as like entrance of your home, or maybe inside or maybe outside. It really depends on your area and style, and they could be very versatile as far as like, do you want to use the plug-in, you don't want to use it. And as you can see the end result right here, yes, you can still see a little bit of my brown plastic planter right here, but at the same time I can just always add a little bit of moss around and cover it all up. Overall, I absolutely love these planters. They could be great addition for any space. Highly recommend to check them out. Thanks for watching.